Thursday, the 28th of September. Crazy. I thought I would remind you that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I actually have 5 yarns on sale right now, special sale. It's end of summer, and I think these would make great, well, 2 of them are wool, so it doesn't really matter about that. But this is all to think about in the future, and it's a great time to buy. They are buy one skein at regular price, get the second skein at 42% off. And I've even done the numbers, so I've figured it out for you. So first I want to show you what we have, show you the colors, and give you some ideas. So this is Queensland Perth, fabulous wool tweeted yarn gradient, $17.95 at regular price. There are 437 yards, right? So this is a sock yarn, but it also is a yarn that can be used because it is a gradient that changes color. And Chrissy used this, she used Perth to do all the flowers. It's one yarn that changed colors. So you could definitely do something with the pressed flowers patterns. There's cowls, there's sweaters, there's all kinds of stuff. So that's just a suggestion for changing colors. So let me show you what I have left. Some are singles, some are lots more. So I have the Canberra, this one. I have Bruny Island, this one. Greens, I really like it. Think about, you know, future knitting, guys. This one is Swan Hill. Lots of greens. This is Bay of Fires. Grays and peaches. Really like that. I have 1 skein of this, but it would make a great pair of socks. This is Port Pine. Beautiful gray, would make a handsome pair of socks for a man. This one is Royal Bluebell. I think that's a single too, but it's beautiful. Deep purples. And then this is a purple cranberry mix, Wine Glass Bay. So that's beautiful as well. So those are, and they are $17.95. So you pay $17.95 for one. You get the second one for $10.40. Okay? That's pretty darn good. All right. Staying with the wool theme, we're going to talk about some Wasco DK in the kettle dyes. This is a beautiful yarn, so soft, so squishy, tonal, absolutely gorgeous. It's $30 a skein. It's a DK weight. There's 293 yards on each skein. Fabulous. And I have 4 colors that have enough yarn to make this adorable sweater tee, right? Has some ribbing across the back. It's a drop shoulder. It's not even a set-in sleeve. Very nice, simple pattern. Make a great tee for yourself. The pattern's only $3 on sale. So the colors I have are, and this pattern would take, the small, medium, and large would take 4, and then the extra large and extra large would take 5. So I think I have 5 of all of these colors. So I have this beautiful brick that I showed you first, and then I have this lovely turquoise. Don't miss this, guys. Lovely turquoise. Then I absolutely adore this yellow. It is so happy, so bright, so happy. Look at it with those sunflowers. And last but not least, the gold, which is also gorgeous and warm and lovely. So the Wasco DK is normally $30 a skein. So you buy one for $30 and you get the second one for $17.40. So if you bought 4, you practically would get 1 for almost free. So pretty good deal. All right, let's move on to Myrtle. Myrtle is a eucalyptus yarn. It's a silk, kind of a pretend silk. It has a beautiful drape. It is, oh, I'm showing the wrong one. That's not it. This is the one I want. Myrtle, that got put in the wrong place, but I do have pink. So it is, I told you this all before. It's vegan silk made out of eucalyptus. It's 180 yards. It is normally $12.50. It has a beautiful drape. This, Ashley made this darling top out of it. It's called the Summer Noose. She took 4 skeins to make this cute lightweight tee. It has see how it has that beautiful drape. Really lovely. And we also have this pattern, which takes about 4, I think, to do it. So the cute on the back has a little detail on the bottom. I like it. Anyway, these are $12.50 a skein. I have 5 colors. I do have a pink, but I grabbed the wrong yarn for craziness. I was in the wrong spot. But the myrtle is $12.50, and the second skein you buy would be $7 1/4. So I do have a pink, but it's a bright pink like that, but that's not the right yarn. And then I have these really nice colors. I only have 4 of the powder blue, but the rest of these I have enough to make the bigger sizes. So again, you can't miss. They also made the Top Notes capelet. It's lovely. So anyway, lots of wonderful things to make with that. And last but not least, I'm suggesting Noble Cotton. The neon colors are on sale, only the neons, but I have neon yellow, neon orange, neon pink, and there's also a neon green. But I have a pattern that uses these plus a black. So the black would be bought at regular price, and then regular price, sale, regular price, sale. So the Noble Cotton is $13, and the second skein would be $7.50. With these crazy fun colors, you could make the pop art shawl that looks like that. How fun is that? So hip and so fun. It's a cascade pattern. It's awesome. Love it. She's got it all wrapped around her. So that's another idea. Just giving you some thoughts on our sale yarn. Yes, sirree, Bob. All right. Tomorrow's Friday. Saturday, 5th Saturday. Tune in the morning. We will have some fun ideas for you, right? Some things to do, some things to knit, some things to crochet. It'll be a good morning. We'll get our mimosas going. You get yours, get your notepad, get your phone, call us, and we will just be happy to show you what we've got and fill your order. All right. I think that's all I have for today. Yep. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.